How's it going? My name is Nate McCamey. I'm with Roof Masters of Arizona. I'm here at the Mayao residence. Claim number is 080670892. What we're going to be doing is a repair attempt on this shingle right here. This is one of the ones that you guys had on approval for us to be able to replace. I'm using 3 different brands right here. This is Owens Corning. I don't know which brand this shingle is. I have Owens Corning Gaff and I have IKO. All 3 different sizes, all 3 different brands. What's on the market right now? I don't know if this is gonna hold. It's not gonna hold. So I got my pry bar, shingle snake, my hammer with nails, tape measure. So let's see if this will hold. Okay. This is an Elk Corp from Texas. This is a discontinued shingle. So shingle is pretty easy to get out, but that's a discontinued shingle. I'm gonna send in the ITEL for you guys. All right. Yeah, gaff is the closest thing. I'll try. It's off by about 1/4 inch right there. So as far as the length goes, you can see it popping up right here, but you can also see the exposure is less. But I'm still gonna hammer it in to see the repairability of this roof. You're going to see that I'm not going to lift the shingle more than 45 degrees. Right here, you can see a damage right here. Damage right here and right here. So from one repair, I'm gonna have to make 3 more or 2 more. So one repair is essentially 3, and then from those 2 it's gonna go 6, and on and on. This is a failure. I cannot with good conscience repair this roof with what you guys approved. I'm gonna go ahead and send a supplement, and I'm gonna take up close pictures of these and send them to you. So I'm marking the chalk so you guys can see. So you guys can see, I'm gonna take up close pictures of this. This is a failure. And I cannot repair this roof. Thank you for your attention to this matter.